Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a MADFUT 24 hack to get unlimited coins in MADFUT 24. You'll also be able to unlock all of the packs for free, and also you can get unlimited bot trades as well with this method. And yeah, you're going to save a lot of money and be able to hack the game. It works on iOS and Android, and I'm going to show you guys right here in this video how to get it. So let me flip my camera and show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, so here is the actual mod itself. I'm going to show you guys how to get it in the video. But yeah, this is it right here, MADFUT 24 mod. As you guys can see, MADFUT 24 mod activated. You can now get unlimited coins, free packs, unlimited bot trades, and more. We're going to click OK, and it's going to say activate a mod. Enter the mod you want to activate. Choose from one of the options: unlimited coins, unlimited bot trades, free packs, max out all levels, or unlock every card. So for us, all we have to do, guys, is just enter in the mod we want to activate. We have a few options. I'm going to go with unlimited coins though, because that's the one I really want, but you guys would go with any of these other ones if you want it. And then you activate it, and then it will activate the mod, but I'm going to go with unlimited coins. So let's go ahead and enter that in. I can't even spell unlimited coins, and type it exactly as you see in the pop-up, guys. Like, it has to be exact as you guys see. It's really hard to type with one hand, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Oh my god, it's so hard to type with one hand. Okay, unlimited coins exactly as you see it there. We're gonna click OK, and it's gonna say adding unlimited coins. Whoa, let's see what happens. And look at that, guys. We just got 9,999 coins for free. And yeah, that was just one mod, but you can activate the other ones. I just wanted to showcase that one because it's probably the most popular mod option is to get unlimited coins. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys right now how to actually get this MADFUT 24 hack very easily. If you're on iPhone though, before we can install the app, we have to just change some settings on our iPhone. If you're on Android, you don't have to do this step, but iPhone users, you're going to want to open up your settings on your iPhone and go on over to battery. And then you see where it says low power mode, you're going to turn that off. And then once you've done that, you're going to exit from there, go into general, and then in general, go find background app refresh. Make sure you guys have this turned on to either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data like that. And then you exit from there, and then we exit from here, and then we go over to about. And you're going to want to make sure that your iOS version is above iOS 11. So as you guys can see, I'm on iOS 15.7.9, so I'm good to go. And that is going to be all the settings that we have to change on iPhone. If you're on Android, like I said, you don't have to change any settings. Also, one thing, guys, that you want to do is go into the App Store on your phone. So, App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. And you're just going to want to make sure that you're on the latest version of MADFUT 24. So if you're not on the latest version, this will not work. So make sure you're on the latest version of the app. And now, guys, to actually get the mod, it's very simple. Go to this website, rizzfix.com. So to spell that, it's rizzfix.com. And once you're here, search for apps in the top right here and just type in MADFUT 24, and you guys will see MADFUT 24 mod by Sixes. That is the mod that we're trying to get. So this one right here, and then you go ahead and click on this green button, and it will start to actually load it, as you guys see. And it's 19 megabits, so it's very small. It's not that big at all. And then we just wait for this to load, and then it will take us to the next part of the download, and I'll show you guys how to finish getting the actual mod. So as you guys can see, it's loading. Okay, so once it loads, it's going to take us to this page right here, and it will say, please install 3 free apps or offers to automatically finish installing your app. You must complete exactly as the instructions say for each app you choose. If you see only 2 apps, then do 2. Watch the video if you're confused still. So you guys are going to see a list of about some apps here, and what you have to do is complete 3 of them from the list, guys. So this is really easy. You're going to see a list of 3 apps, and then you just do what they say. So for example, like this one, and this is just like a verification thing that they have. They also have like this support chat in here, like live support. So you can ask it that questions and stuff. Now, what you guys will do is just read the instructions of the app that you're going to do and then do 3 of them. But yeah, it's very, very simple. Like, for example, this one says download, install, and sign up for an account. So you just download the app and then install it and sign up. And they all take you to like the app store and everything. So it's like legit. And all the apps are completely free. Like, you don't have to spend any money, as you guys can see. But yeah, we come back here and then we also have like this one, download and install this app. They run it for 30 seconds. So some of the other ones have some other different tasks. But yeah, just choose like 3 easy ones, I guess. And then once you do 3, you restart your phone and you will see that MADFUT 24 mod has been installed. If you don't see it after after restarting your phone, just go ahead and make sure you do 3 apps again correctly. Like, make sure you read the instructions correctly. And yeah, that's how you guys get your mod, and enjoy it. Enjoy the mod. And if you have any questions, let me know down below, guys, and see you later. Peace out.